Being a parent is pretty amazing, but it can also be pretty chaotic. Bublup is a powerful and private platform that helps you bring order to the chaos, so every moment counts as your kids grow up. Get started by making folders of anything you want to organize. It could be photos from special events, medical documents, or a folder of your kids' drawings, because they can't all fit on the refrigerator. To populate your folders, click on the plus button to select the content type you want to add. You can also drag links or files directly into Bublup. And there are no limits to how many subfolders or content types you can save. It's easy to invite friends and family to your folders too, and set their permissions for collaborating on activities, like planning your next vacation. Sharing with people who don't have Bublup is easy too. Any folder can be transformed into a beautiful web page you can share with anyone, called a roll. With Bublup, you have one place to organize all your family's needs in a way that's actually fun.